Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to reset folder view settings to default in Windows 10. Click File Explorer. Click View. Click Options, select Change Folder and Search Options. Click View tab. You can apply this view to all folder of this type. Click Reset Folders. Click Yes to continue. Click Apply to Folders. Click Yes to continue. Click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.